Hey there! It's awesome to have you here today. Welcome to Health and Yum, where we turn healthy eating into a party that you'll actually want to attend. I'm your resident smoothie scientist Alina, and today we are going to whip up a brain-boosting smoothie that's so tasty you'll forget it's good for you. Alright, let's get this smoothie party started. Add 1 cup yogurt, 1 cup strawberries, 1 cup blueberries, and 3 ripe bananas to a high-powered blender. Blueberries are like the superheroes of the fruit world. They have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect brain cells and reduce inflammation like a brain bodyguard. Hit the magic button until you've got a drink smoother than a secret agent at a fancy party. What do you get when you mix a brain and plain yogurt? A match made in heaven. The probiotics in the yogurt are like tiny superheroes that fight off bad bacteria and reduce inflammation, while the protein gives the brain the energy it needs to think like a genius. Pour the smoothie into glasses like the amazing chef that you are, and add your favorite toppings because let's be real, everything tastes better when it's dressed to impress. Today, I'm using fresh berries and coconut flakes. Coconut flakes aren't just for pina colada. They are loaded with medium-chain triglycerides that may improve brain function and help you remember things easier, like memorizing all the lyrics to your favorite song. If you feel like a smoothie connoisseur and want to have some fun, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Catch me next time on the Chocolate Express, where we'll be making a mind-blowing chocolate mousse that's so easy, even a cat could do it.